Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Kodwa ngike ngasho ngathi uMancinza mekhuluma Monday ngendaba ephathelene nophakela umthakathi nemeeting yakhe nopresident sizoqala phansi wonke umlilo besubhuleka kodwa kangimgxeki umfowethu ngoba ama-point aqhamuka nawo ayasithinta ayasiforce ukuthi ake siqale phansi futhi sikhulumeni undabandaba akakhuluma akawaphendule lama-answer kama-question kaMancinza aphethe insolo. Kulungile-ke bafowethu asiqaleni phansi mina nani la abangakezwa ngale ndaba. Umfo kaMancinza umlungisi Mancinza leader yeLACO. iLACO yilaba-ke abasebenzisana ne-organization esebenzisana ne-March and March hand in hand njoba kuliwa nje nendaba zokuthi abahambi bona-ke balwa kakhulu in a line yokuthi abantu abathola umsebenzi laba emabhizinisini emafemini bakhipha abantu bafaka umuntu wase-South Africa mebekhipha illegal foreigner. That's what they do. So kuthe mekusuka yonke lento leya yokuthi ophakela hayi sebesuke manje bayomeet upresident wabhala nje kulapha kuFacebook wathi hayi yena Monday khona inkulumo azoyikhipha futhi yena ngeke avumele umzabalazo ukuthi udayiswe. Hey ithe bekhuluma lento ngaba concern ukuthi uthini lo muntu methi ngeke avumele umzabalazo udayiswe. Kulungileke sasho ukuthi solinda uMonday lana-ke during zonke le nsuku over weekend silwa nalento ukuthi hayi uphakela phela bengekho wrong ukuyo-attend upresident nani njengensizwe eziyithembayo phela siyafika hayi loku angeke simvikele futhi ngeke simjikele uphakela akeke asiphendulele. I think it needs an emergency response from yena and an emergency public meeting from yena no Jacinta yena ne-March and March nayo iLACO nayo uNyezwe can be part of that because ijulile. Nangu-ke umlungisi uchaza kahle ukuthi i-March and March iqale last year March. It was even called March on March because it started marching on the month of March. Beautiful. Uyasho ukuthi bona be-organization ziLACO, they were there working, supporting March and March alongside yena uSis Jacinta. Phakela umthakathi was there also coming here to support. So kwaba nevumelwano ezenziwayo ngokuxoxa nje ngomlomo ukuthi madoda nayo into esilwayo la inje sibhekene ne-enemy enkulu la, so kunezinto okungamele sizenzeni kunezinto okuzomela sizenze. Yabona bekhuluma nje ngomlomo ema-meetingini wabo after leyo March meyiqala i-March on March last year ngoMarch. So uthi uMancinza-ke let's fast forward kwaba-ke uJanuary kwaba this year nawa kama-March siyawabona yenzeka. That's okay. Uthi uMancinza meqala kuvelela uphakela umthakathi kakhulu esithombeni ngoMay this year. Sikuphuma lama-march amaningi-ke manje sigcwele nensizwa kuma-march ngoMay this year. Uthi uMancinza uphakela umthakathi yena self watshela yena uMancinza ukuthi wensizwa upresident ufuna ukungibona and njobe efuna ukungibona kanjena ngathi inkulumo afuna ukungibonela yona iphathelene nemali ngathi ufuna ukungithenga upresident. uMancinza-ke uthi uphakela umthakathi wayesho leyo nto ngoMay uze wakhipha idate ngathi ngo-21 May, I'm not sure but ngoMay. Uthi hayi bayibambe le meeting baxoxeke be-organization behlangane nje nophakela ukuthi no hayi lokhuzane phakela Musa uthini wena kuqala hayi asho insizwe ukuthi hayi cha mina ngeke nje ngize ngiye kuphake njalo ku-president ngeke ngize ngidayise ngomzakabalazwa ngifune bribe mina ngilwela abantu, so meeting a president is a wrong move from me. Kusho luphakela emeetingini ehlanganise abantu ababhilivela ku-March and March eThekwini. Hayi kuvunyelwane ukuthi amadoda sonke asikhulumeni izwe elilodwa. Akunamuntu-ke ozoyobona upresident ngoba upresident sekuhighlighthelile wena phakela ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukupha imali. Uphakela washolo ukuthi upresident ngathi ufuna ukumnika imali. over the call whoever upresident ayemthumile ukuthi akhulume noPhakela. uPhakela ke wayireport. Fast forward asiye nge-29 nge-29 uMancinza uthi asi-underline ke uthi let's underline kunezinsolo ezithi into engakabi publicly into besingayazi siqabuka ngayo Mancinza ithi lezi insolo kunemali ekhishiwe iphuma esandleni sika president ethumele upresident ethumele umuntu asebenzisana naye very close umuntu wakhona wakaChawuke isibongo sakhe lo muntu loyo kuthiwa kune 3 million ekhishiwe i1.5 million ikhishwe as a deposit before i30 okungenzeka ukuthi iphume nge28 or 29 but before i30 ngoba i30 i-big day kwathiwa ke kusolakala ngathi ibalance ke ibe seyilandela after i30 noma akacaca ukuthi yona kwenzakaleni but manje nayi inkinga la kunamahlebezi yiyo ngithi angizukuthatha ke side la uPhakela kuzomela aziphendulele le lamahlebezi athi uPhakela ureceive imali engango 1.5 efakwe as a deposit phezulu kwesivumelwano sika 3 million manje ke uMancinza mayibeka uyibeka yena as umuntu oaddressa ama-room uthi ke uMancinza kwayiwa ke kwi-march and march nge-30 kuthe maqedwa ku-march and march waya kuPhakela umthakathi wafika wambuza uthi Phakela mfowethu waya kanjani ukuyohlangana nopresident ekubeni wena ngoMay wangitshela ukuthi upresident wasitshela ukuthi upresident uyakufuna kodwa ufuna ukukuthenga ngemali wasuyelani ke nge-29 sekukhulunywa nge-30 ke after marching later hours I guess athi uPhakela cha ngiyile kodwa bengingayanga ukuyothatha imali mina mfowethu angeswele kangako mina ngiyakwazi ukuziphilisa bengingayile ukuyothatha imali bengiyomitha nje ngoba enale message afuna ukisho ukuthina ephume iqhamuka ezicall ngalo lolo suku oludlulile ntambama bengiyozwa nje ukuthi uthini ingakho ke ngingafihlanga okuningi mina ngayiveza leyo nto kulungileke hayi ke alokhuzeke uMancinza ke bese ethi Phakela ke mfethu buka asetheni meeting ekusasa i-meeting ekusasa ayibe nathi silakho ibe nama representative ye march and march bese iba nawe le meeting lena ke siyibambeni mhlambe before yokwenza i-media briefing nisakhumbula uPhakela umthakathi ube ne-media briefing uthi uMancinza wavuma uPhakela ukuthi hayi cha sizoyibamba lo meeting before i-media briefing hayi uthi uMancinza ekseni ke wafona uPhakela akayibamba ifoni ibodyguard leligada uPhakela libamba ifoni wasaphinda phinde wazwamiyeka kuthe meseqedile nge-media briefing kuma later hours after uPhakela enza i-media briefing uthi wafona futhi umlungisi la kuPhakela siyibambeni meeting phela and that's what he made a second call for later hours uthi wangamthola futhi uPhakela so isimo la ukuthi uPhakela ke akakafuni noma akakavumeli ukuhlangana nomlungisi ne-march and march in person ukuthi kuxazululwe le ndaba yokuthi mfowethu uyeleni kupresident ekubeni saxoxa ukuthi wena wathi wena ngeke uzwe uye kupresident ngoba upresident wakuthembisa imali ngoMay wayiphika manje mesubonakala ke manje uye kupresident uthi sicabangeni so uPhakela ke kuthiwa uyidojile ke leyo meeting kuze kube namhlanje ayikahlalwa ngoba phela umlungisi uyikhipha manje ngo12 njoba kuyi6 nje njoba sikhuluma so nansi inkinga lana ke the way uPhakela edoja ngakhona ke ama meeting ukuthi ahlangane no march and march nomlungisi according to how umlungisi esho ngakhona lento ke isolisa ukuthi uPhakela inkulu into ayifihlayo thina ke njengabantu esimkhonzile uPhakela bafethu siyathanda noma sithandi angeke simvikele ngeke sithi udayise ngomzabalazo sithi Phakela mfethu responda nje impela lena akasikwazi ukuyi-ignore responda ngoba phela laphana bekukuningi esingakuvikela laphayana ukuthi uhlangane nopresident sekukhudlwana lokhu kufuna wena nje impela responda make a video make a angazi vula amakhamera uhlale somewhere and answer to this. But at the end of the day hamba uyohlangana ne-march and march mfowethu uhlangane nabo iqembu lelakhona amanye ama-organization akumzabalazo owodwa wokulwa no-government ukuthi abahambe wokuthi South Africa mayibuye kuyokhulunywa lento ngoba nathi mfowethu mengabe wonile ngeke sikuvikele lana sithanda umzansi modern ukuthanda umuntu. So sikukhonzile impela sikuvikelile kodwa lokho asikwazi lokho kumele kuphume emlonyeni wakho sekukhudlwana. Ake silindeke phakela ukuthi ukhulume mfowethu ukuthi uthini umlungisi mesho kanje.
At this point, even people that support Opakela Mthakathi, they're finding it very difficult to trust him or believe what he is saying after his meeting with a president, which, guys, I'm very glad that everyone is now actually seeing his true colors. Everyone is seeing, things that we didn't see at the beginning. Now everything is just being exposed. And with what he is saying, when you sit down and try to think about this whole change, like, it doesn't make any sense. It really does not make any sense, guys. And I feel like this is I feel like it's a lesson to people out there to say, don't just follow things, do your own things. Don't just follow people because, hey, you will never truly know the intentions of people, of a human being when he is in front there, when she is in front there. You will never know what is going down. And then now you might also be used because obviously we all know that the economy is very bad, guys, and we all know that we are all frustrated, we are all angry because things are very bad. And when someone comes in with some sort of solution to say, okay, this is what is causing your problems and this is the solution, trust me, I will join that person to say, yes, this person is telling the truth, and only wake up later on when everything has been destroyed, when everything is just messed up, only to realize that, nope, that was not my problem. Like, that was not my problem. The problem is within you as a human being. Right now, as we speak, there are so many companies that are just empty. No one is there. No one is there. It's actually a good time right now as a South African to be going around. You don't even have to carry your CV. You just go there. If you know how to do the job, you will be given the job. Trust me, you will be given that job because of what is happening right now or what has happened. But yeah, let's just put it on the side and trust the Lord. He will come forward to address all those things that are being said on social media. Yes, but please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?